Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a face and body rice lotion. So have you guys ever wondered why Asian women's skin always looks so young, flawless and vibrant all the time? Well, one of the secrets is rice. For centuries, Asians have incorporated rice into their skincare recipes, and that's because rice is rich in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that protects the skin cells, helps to increase collagen production in the skin, tightens the skin pores, delays the aging process of the skin, and all of that juicy stuff. So if you guys want to see how I incorporate rice into my lotion recipe, then keep on watching. For the rice lotion, I'll be using deionized water, vegetable glycerin, aloe vera juice, shea butter, coconut oil, emulsifying wax. This is very important because this is what is going to help to keep the water and the oil in this formulation fully emulsified, homogenized. What I mean is the emulsifying wax is going to help to keep the water and the oil completely mixed together, and it's very important. So the next thing we'll need is vitamin E oil, preservative. This is important also because this is a water-based formulation, and if you do not add preservatives to this formulation, you will end up having bacteria, fungi or whatever, microorganisms growing in your lotion, and we don't want that. So you have to get a preservative. Then you need to add a fragrance. If you don't want to add any fragrance to your lotion, that is completely up to you, but I'm going to be using a fragrance, and I'll be using rice. You can use any rice of your choice. I'll also be using digital weighing scale, a mixing jug, a bottle or jar to store the lotion in, and I'll be using a stick blender. I'm sorry I forgot to show you guys the stick blender, but eventually in the video you get to see the stick blender. All the ingredients I am using in this recipe, I got them from Amazon, and you can also get yours from eBay or any local cosmetic or grocery store or any local market in your area basically. This is the formula I'll be using to make the lotion. So guys, basically to make a lotion, there are 3 phases to consider, because making a lotion is mixing water and oil and to make an emulsion. So there are 3 phases to consider. You have your water phase. All the ingredients in this phase are soluble in water, and in the next phase we have the oil phase. In this phase, all the ingredients are soluble in oil. And then the final phase is the cool down phase. So the ingredients in this cool down phase are potentially sensitive to heat. Hence, they are added when the lotion has cooled down. Bear in mind that this formula is for a 500 gram batch. And in the next column, this column, we have all the percentages in which all the ingredients will be added in the lotion. And in the final column, we have all the weights calculated based on the percentages. At this point, if you are confused on all of these calculations, just stick to the final column, that is the weights of the ingredients, and weigh all your ingredients in grams. So you can double or triple the weight size based on, if you want a bigger batch, as the case may be, you can double or triple. I don't know if you understand my drift, but yeah, that's it. The first step is to weigh out all the ingredients in the water phase. So first of all, I'm going to weigh out my deionized water. Then I'm going to weigh out the rice separately in another container. I'll rinse the rice in the sink to get rid of any dust or dirt, and then I'll soak the rice in the deionized water for up to 30 minutes. Obviously, rice doesn't dissolve in water, so I'm soaking the rice in the water to get rice infused water. After 30 minutes, I am sieving out the rice to leave me with my rice infused deionized water. To the rice infused water, I'm going to weigh in the rest of my water phase ingredients, that is the glycerin and the aloe vera juice. Just make sure to tare or zero the scale before you add any ingredients, just to make sure that you're getting the exact weight of that particular ingredient. So the next step is to weigh out all of your oil phase ingredients in a separate container. After that, I'll place both the water phase ingredients and the oil phase ingredients in a water bath or a double boiler to heat up the two containers, or the water phase and the oil phase, up to about 70 degrees centigrade. Once the oil phase and the water phase are both roughly at 70 degrees centigrade, the next thing is to get out the containers and then pour the oil phase into the water phase, and then use the stick blender to mix the emulsion. So I'm going to keep mixing for about 2 minutes in a pulsing motion, not like continuously. I mix and I stop, I mix and I stop for like 2 minutes, and then I'll allow the lotion to cool down a bit. After the lotion has cooled down a bit, I continue to mix again for another 1 minute in the pulsing motion. So you realize that whilst you're mixing and allowing to cool, mixing again and allowing to cool, gradually the lotion thickens up sufficiently. Once you've seen that the lotion has thickened up to a sufficient or reasonable viscosity, you just allow it to cool down to about below 45 degrees centigrade. Now it's time to add the cool down phase ingredients. I'll go ahead to use my stick blender to mix everything in properly, and then I would transfer the lotion into my bottle for storage. And I'm going to be using a piping bag to help me, with this process, because the lotion is quite thick and pouring it into the bottle is very impractical. So I'm going to be using the piping bag. You can use a Ziploc bag, or you can use a jar if you feel more comfortable storing your lotion in a jar, or just feel free to do whatever you want. It is up to you. So guys, here you have it. This is your lotion, and it is demonstration time. Guys, this lotion is absolutely amazing, and I'm not saying this because I was the one that made the lotion. I'm saying this because of how it feels on my skin. Guys, it feels so soft, silky. Just take a look at how easy it is for me to work that lotion into my skin. It literally disappears in seconds of me applying that on my skin. Like, it is so good, and it doesn't have that greasy feeling. You know, when you apply some lotions on your skin and you have that greasy feeling that makes it so annoying to apply lotions on your skin. Like, this lotion doesn't have that greasy after feel. It's super nice, smells so good, and you know, it makes your skin to feel moisturized, hydrated, and you feel radiant at the end of it all. Anyways, guys, let me know in the comment section below how you incorporate rice into your recipes, if you do. And if you have any questions or comments or literally any contributions at all, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be there for you. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications as well. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.